Hey guys, what is up? It's me, Faith, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be taking you guys with me as I do some more packing for college, as well as some prep. Just I had to go out and buy a few more things for my dorm that I didn't have. That's pretty much what I'm doing today. I am filming the intro now because I accidentally deleted the intro. When you guys are going to be watching this video, I move into college tomorrow, so I'm really excited about that. It's also kind of stressful. So basically, this is just one kind of like miscellaneous vlog of me packing and prepping for college. Kind of all over the place because I am low-key stressed, but I am really excited. So yeah, if you guys are interested in watching me get all that stuff done, then just keep on watching. Also, if you guys haven't done so yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button right below me, and let's go ahead and get into this video. I have no idea what aisle this is gonna be on. Like, literally no idea. I need to go here first, Jake. I need to get 3M hooks for my curtain rod. Basically, let me get some breath, okay. So, you're out of shape. I am out of shape. So for my curtain, I didn't realize I'm on the top floor of my dorm, so there's 3 windows. So I had to get a longer curtain rod, and it was literally sold out. This mask race is so it was literally so hard. It was, what am I saying? Oh my gosh, I can't even vlog today, Jake. This is what happens when I'm under stress. What I was saying was I had to get a longer one because I had 3 windows and all of the Targets are literally sold out of them. So it took us a while to find it. We had to go halfway across town to get it, but we finally got that. And now I need to get 3M hooks to hang it up because, yeah, obviously, I don't know why I said because, like, I was gonna explain something. I think we all know what these are for. I am a little off. Which of these looks like a curtain rod hanger? Jake, you should know this is 101. This is life 101. Did you not take that class?
Apparently not.
Jake is trying to get me to get a broom hanger to hang.
Just use it
to hang my curtain. That is literally the ugliest thing. I'm gonna get these, but I'm probably gonna need 2 packs because I don't think 3 is enough for how big the rod is.
Like spray paint it.
That's still ugly. It literally looks like a claw. We can't find any mirrors, so they're probably sold out of every single mirror known to man. Jake's trying to look it up on the app. He's a
furniture, but the whole aisle over here.
It's furniture, exactly. So we can't find the mirrors because literally they have none to be found. But we're gonna check somewhere else. But I found this cool one. It's only like $3, but I think I'm gonna get one to put all of my stuff, my sink, like my hairsprays and stuff, so it doesn't explode.
You're getting that?
Yeah, it's $3. I didn't see.
Now you can show them how it works.
Yeah,
show them how the bin works.
This is how you use it. Keep the stuff in there, and then you close the lid, and you're good to go.
That was a really good dad joke.
Alright, I need to get some Febreze. Because I'm Khloe Kardashian, so I have to get some Febreze. Now, Khloe usually gets this one, but I want to get a different one. Get Island Fresh. Yeah, Island Fresh. So, naturally, I need to get hand sanitizer. So I come in here the other day, and they only had this kind of hand sanitizer. So I got it. And I was like, this probably would smell good. It smelled like coconut, had like diarrhea. I think I'm gonna try this one, because this one's unscented. Okay, we just made it out of Target, and we got pizza from Target. They have Pizza Hut pizza. Jake's very excited about that. This is his favorite. He's been wanting Pizza Hut for so long. So we got breadsticks and that, and those had to be basic. And I got a venti passion tea from Starbucks. And Jake has basic water, because he's basic. And guys, update, the hand sanitizer does not smell like coconut diarrhea. We're gonna eat our pizza, and then we're gonna head over, I think, to TJ Maxx and HomeGoods to look for a door mirror, and they don't have it. Then I guess we'll go to Walmart. Alright, we finished lunch and we're in TJ Maxx now, and I switched my mat because I felt like it. Hey, here's a mirror, but that's not a door mirror. But it's $80. I don't want to pay that much for a door mirror. So I need a desk for my laptop. Like, do you like the pink and gray one? Or the gray and...
I like that one better.
The floral one?
Yeah.
I don't know which one I like better. I just like the lighter color, but I don't like the print on it. I think I like that one. You win, Jake. I really needed one of these, so I'm glad that we found this here. Alright, we're in Walmart now, getting a few more things and checking for the mirror, but I have to get toilet paper. My dorm last year, like, we didn't have our own bathroom, so they provided it for us, but this year I have my own bathroom, so I have to get my own toilet paper. Low-key excited about it because the toilet paper they gave us last time was literally like nothing. It was just like a piece of air. So I'm gonna get that kind. Assistant. This is why you bring your assistant with you. I also need more of these. Wait, I like those designs better. So I cry myself to sleep every night. Yeah. Well, they have this one. It's an over-the-door mirror. These mirrors suck. Don't ever get one of these, Jake. They make you look like an Oompa Loompa. Well, if you do, then that's a mirror for you. We're gonna get this one since this is the only one we can find. Plus, I like the gold, so seems legit.
So we just got back from the store and I still need to pack a few more things, and by pack I mean I need to put stuff in the car that's not gonna like explode. Obviously I can't put like my hairsprays and stuff in there yet, but a lot of my stuff is stuff that I can go ahead and pack, so I'm gonna get that done just so I don't have to worry about that tomorrow. I still have to pack a few more things, but there's stuff that I obviously use. So I'm gonna wait to do that. I do need to finish packing up some of my clothes. I need to wash the clothes that need to be washed. And yeah, I feel like there's a few more things I need to do, so I'm gonna take you guys with me as I do that because it's sometimes interesting. So I just finished packing up the car. There's still some other things I need to pack up. My dad didn't want anything in his van and I didn't know that. So then I moved stuff to my car and now I have to wait to pack the rest of the stuff in the van tomorrow. So, you know, life. Anyway, right now I'm gonna go ahead and put the trash bags over my clothes because that's how I transport them. Very, very fancy how I transport my clothes. But yeah, I'm gonna do that because those need to get ready to go. And then I've been packing up this bin that I got today. I have a decent amount of stuff in here and then I need to pack this still, but this is my skincare I use like every day. So I obviously still need to use that. And then I have more hair care products and stuff in these 2 boxes. And yeah, my suitcase is over here and I need to finish packing it. And yeah, so I have to pack a few more things in there just to get that all ready to go. And then my camera stuff is over there. I need to finish packing that up too. All right, I just finished doing that. I'm still gonna time on the bottom, but I'm gonna do that in just a little bit. But now I have to finish packing up my suitcase. I got some more stuff and I just need to obviously organize it a little bit better. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. We are about to go strip some packages out because I sold some stuff on Depop that I need to ship out before I go. And we're gonna go get some donuts from Krispy Kreme because I really want some and they don't have Krispy Kreme in Lynchburg. So my last Krispy Kreme for a while. Bringing this little nut with us. She's very concerned with my packing. All right, we finally made it to Krispy Kreme and Gizmo and me are waiting out here because Jake went in to get them. So yeah, that's a nice shot with Gizmo and Krispy Kreme. So we're waiting for them. I really hope they have the glazed raspberry filled. If not, I will cry. Okay, so my hair still looks crazy. That's fine. So I'm back. We got the Krispy Kreme donuts and we came home and ate dinner. And guys, I literally don't even know what my hair's doing right now. I don't even know. So we got back and we're gonna go take Gizmo for a walk in a second. But before, I wanted to show you guys, I just ordered some new jewelry from this brand called Every Jewelry, but it doesn't have like an E in it. But I have been looking for some new like inexpensive high quality gold jewelry. And I found some on this website. So I ordered 2 necklaces and they came in this really cute packaging. So I got this gold like chain one. Fashion vloggers. That's what this one looks like and I'm gonna try it on because I haven't tried it on yet, but it feels like really good quality. This is just a staple layering necklace. Yeah, it's really cute and it's kind of just like a little chain. I look like a rapper right now. The next one I got is one I'm really excited for. This is a herringbone style necklace. If you guys don't know what those are, this is what it is. And it's just like this. It's really cute and this is the one that I was looking for the most and they had it for like 20 bucks. Fairly inexpensive for a high quality one of these. Sorry, my camera literally ran out of storage like as I was saying that, but it is literally so gorgeous. I'm obsessed with these. I think they look really cute together and they'll look good with my other gold jewelry. And then I got a scrunchie because I needed to get free shipping and it's either pay for shipping or pay for a scrunchie, so obviously I paid for this scrunchie. This is kind of like a silk fabric scrunchie. It's so cute. It's like a champagne kind of color and I'm so excited for this because I think it's really cute. I just wanted to give you guys an update if you guys were looking into gold jewelry too. I definitely like this. It's so cute. I'm just like obsessed with the packaging. It gives me like Euphoria vibes and I think it's really pretty. But anyway, that's my little jewelry update. No, this is not sponsored. Guys, genuinely, I have not been getting that much sleep because whenever I have something big coming up like moving into school, I get really stressed and then I can't sleep. I've just been stressed about a lot of things because when you go back to school, you have to see people. And sometimes you don't want to see those people, but you have to see them anyway. So I'm one big ball of stress right now. That's why my under eye circles are monstrous today. Anyway, we're gonna take Gizmo for a walk. I'm gonna take these chains off so I don't look weird. And yeah, I'll see you guys then. Bye. So that's gonna do it for this video, guys. I forgot to finish this vlog, just like I deleted the intro. I don't have an outro, so here I am. Honestly, like, I feel like this year is a little bit more stressful. I don't know why. I think it's just because I'm so anxious to get back because school shut down and I don't want to shut down again, and it's just like, the suspense is killing me. I want to go back to school so bad, so I'm really excited. I hope you guys enjoy. Definitely let me know in the comments down below what other college videos you'd like to see from me because I will be moving in tomorrow. So don't worry, guys, the move-in vlog is coming up on Sunday, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right below me, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.